and welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing this crisscross dory back neck blouse design with short butterfly sleeves which looks amazing and it can be paired with anything and everything. Front part of the blouse is already made because in one of my previous videos I've shared the same method of doing the front. So please check that video. I will share that link in the description box below. And the blouse that I made is from the leftover fabric from another project, so please don't mind how I was managing to cut later in the video. Enough of introduction, so let's begin. So I started with cutting 4 equal rectangles. That was the length of the blouse, which was 8 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. Next step is to cut a few 1-inch long strips for the loops and dory. Then I folded the strip into half and gave a straight stitch at 1/4 inch. Next, I marked 5 points at equal distance, placed the loops like shown in the video and secured them with a stitch. This is how it will look. Then I placed another piece of rectangle and I made a stitch at 1/2 inch from 2 sides. Lastly, turned it inside out. Then I attached the sides of the blouse at 1 inch from both the sides. I wanted to give an edge to it, so I chopped from the center front in an inverted V shape. I stitch it so that the main fabric and the lining fabric stays in place. Next, I took 1.5 inch wide long strips to finish the raw edges. Lastly, I attached the sleeves on the back, and this is how it will look at the end. Next week I'm sharing the matching culottes to this crop top and the final look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel for DIY and fashion videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.